Here we are out on Lake Roosevelt, which is the Columbia River area dammed off. And it's a beautiful day, and our boat is dead in the water. When we took off, there was some strange clunking noise, and then she ran fine while we kind of did a tour, and then we stopped to do something, and then when we went to start again, it won't go forward. It'll start, but it won't go forward. And then in reverse, it'll only circle in one direction. So the kids are gonna do some swimming while Junior does some mechanicking, and we'll see how we're gonna get out of here. So it gives it gas, it just won't kick it into gear.
Yep, the transmission in it. I don't know boats, I've never worked on them, so I don't know exactly how it connects down there, but it's underneath, so I can't get to it, you know what I mean?
How's the water?
Cold?
What do you have in your
Colder than any of the other lakes?
Yes.
What do you have in your pocket? John, get in.
There's a boat making its way this way. I think we're gonna ask him for a tow.
Hey.
I think this will work.
Yeah.
And then
Just get some distance.
let's see there.
Yes.
I'll raise this up.
Next time is the person who jumps off too.
Okay. We really appreciate this.
I hear ya. No fun when stuff breaks down.
Well, it happens, I guess.
Well, at least we made it back. We got a late start to get out here, and then we got stuck, and now we made it back. Madeline said when we get home we should do something equally as fun. I said, good luck, what's that? So she wants to have a hot dog roast over the campfire.
Anything weird about it?
Maddie, you finally got your hot dog. Is it what you were hoping for?
Yeah.
All right, see you guys next time.